Brainy Dose presents, if a woman has these 15 qualities, never let her go. People in long-term relationships will someday get to the point where they need to ask themselves, is this really the person I want to spend the rest of my life with? Is she really the one? Scientists all over the world are researching the extremely complicated issues surrounding love and relationships. They have spent countless hours trying to figure out how people fit together and what qualities they need to bring into a relationship to make it a happy and lasting one. In this video, we have compiled the most important and interesting results of these studies. If the woman by your side has the following qualities, never let her go. Number 1. She is intellectually challenging. There is no denying that someone's looks are what initially draws us to them. It's difficult to spot a great personality from across the room. Many flings are built on physical attraction alone, but how long can that last? When conversations lack depth or intrigue, we often fill our time with physical activity together. But it is impossible to build a real connection or lasting relationship with someone on that alone. Being intellectually challenging and having the ability to hold real discussions about meaningful topics will always beat shallow beauty in the long run. Number 2. She carries herself with class. Class has nothing to do with the price tag on your outfit. Class is about the dignity you carry yourself with and the level of respect you show to those around you. And true class and elegance shows. It's hard to miss a lady who's poised and polite to everyone. She far outshines the woman who's all decked out but can't treat others with respect. Number 3. She is honest and genuine. How long will you stay in a committed relationship with a beautiful liar? If you cannot trust your partner or believe what she says, how can you construct a solid, should encourage you to improve yourself, but she should do that by building you up, not tearing you down. Number 8. She has a good relationship with her parents. If you want to know what your partner will be like in 30 years, look at their parents. If you want to know how they will treat you in 30 years, look at how they treat their parents now. But this doesn't mean that her relationship with her parents always needs to be perfect. Understanding your contribution to the relationship with your parents would be important to recognizing any tendency to replicate behavior, positive or negative, in an intimate relationship. The only way to learn how to do better in other relationships is to be aware of those behaviors. Number 9, she holds similar values as you. Many times our value system comes from our upbringing. The things we find important, the things we believe in strongly, the way we treat others, and the way we treat ourselves. The importance of this point cannot be stressed enough. When you set out to make a life with someone, it is important that the two of you agree on some of the non-negotiable values each of you hold. It doesn't matter how attracted you are to someone or even how well you get along. If your values don't align, you will always be clashing in the long run. Number 10, she can move past jealousy. While some jealousy is natural in a relationship, it's important that both partners are secure enough in themselves and each other to know where to focus their energy. Being sensible and trusting each other is important if you want a happy life. Personal space is important for growth, and it's up to both partners whether they have enough trust in each other to allow for that. A mature, quality woman will allow you to have your freedom, providing you don't betray her trust. Number 11, she supports your goals and pursues her own. You need a healthy combination of personal goals and goals you pursue together. A strong woman by your side will motivate you and won't be dependent on you. You don't need to worry about her, and she won't need your constant validation. She inspires that she cares about keeping you around. Yes, I will be the first one to say